Hello, this is Leanne from Eurika Training and Coaching. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a vision board. A vision board is something which you create, usually full of pictures or images that will help you visualize your goal for the year ahead. And it's very quick and easy to create this. Very powerful. I've seen some magnificent results from it. So this is how you do it. Open up your Internet Explorer and type in www.dayblocks.com. So that's not clocks, blocks. dayblocks.com. Press enter. And then you see day blocks. Scroll the way down the page and then click on, it says free vision board builder. Today I've released the vision board. Click on the vision board builder link here and scroll down the page. Where can I download it? So you download it here, set up a vision board. So this is for Windows XP, Vista and Windows 7. So click on that. And then I've got a security fired up on my computer, but you'll see at the bottom of the screen it says run or save. I'm just going to run it. And then it says the publisher of the vision board couldn't be verified. You sure you want to run the program? I've run it before. I'm quite certain that it's safe, so I'm just going to run it again. And then it says, do you want to make changes to the computer? I'm going to say yes to this. If you say no, it doesn't download for some reason. Then click next. Click next. It decides where you want to store it. Click next. Click next. Create a desktop icon. I think that's quite handy. At least you can just click on it and off you go. And then click next and then install. And finish. You're good to go. So we'll shut down the Internet Explorer behind it. And this is how it looks. So it's quite clunky and ugly looking, but very easy to use. So the first thing to do is to find some images and to shut down this clutter. So again, you have this screen presented to you, file browser, image preview, a screen in the middle. This screen in the middle is actually your vision board screen. You've got properties and then elements. We don't need those at the moment, but we will need them later on. So I'm just going to click on the X here, shut it down and click on the X here for properties, shut that bit down, and then the vision board expands. So click on new project and you can decide the width of it and the background color. I left the width as it was. You can change it after you've printed it if you prefer it to be bigger or smaller. Click on the background color and I chose white. I quite like nice crisp clear background, but it's entirely up to you, so just clicked on white and then OK. So just to go through that again, file, new project, comes up with this, choose your background color, white, OK, and then OK. So here's my vision board, and then you can insert an image. So you click on insert and then insert image, and then just go to pictures. I'm just going to choose, you see I've got some family pictures here. Let's have a look just at the sample pictures and we'll look at some penguins. Now it's brought the penguin in quite a large size, but if you click on the image you see the arrows. You can't see it when I zoom in, but the arrow changes into a two-headed arrow, left to right. If you click on the corner, you get diagonal arrows. Click on your left mouse button and then just drag the picture down to the size that you want it to be. Click on the picture and move it to where you want it to go. Now if you don't like, you see it's got lovely curved corners. If you don't like that, you can right click, click on View and click on Properties panel. So that's View and Properties panel. And then here there's some more options. So you can choose the width and the height, and you can decide on your blend. So click on Blending Mask, Vertical Cylinder. You see the shading is now left and right, or you can choose Horizontal Cylinder, so the shading is top and bottom, or you can do just the default one, Radial, which makes it circular. And then the blend and scale, you can choose it to be extra strong, or you can choose it to be light, so you see that you can hardly see the picture, and you can choose normal, and that's that done. So once you finish with that, I just simply close down the properties and then bring in another picture. So you insert image, and this time I'm going to choose the flower, and look, it's massive, so we don't want that. Click on the corner of the image to get the diagonal double-ended arrow. Click and hold the left mouse button, drag the image down to the size you want it to be, and then move it to where you want it to go. So now you see the flower is over the penguins, and maybe we want the penguins over the flower. Then if that's the case, you just click on the penguins, click on View, Property panel, close that down, right click on your picture, and then click on Prioritize Image, and then that goes to the top. If you want the flower to go to the top, click on the flower, right click, Prioritize Image. If you don't like the image, right click, delete the image. Simple as that. So insert image, choose your picture, open, click on the corner, hold the left mouse button down, drag the picture to the size you want it to be, place it where you want it to go. As simple as that. You can also insert some text, so you click Insert and then Text. So insert text, and then it automatically inserts white writing, which isn't very good, you can't see it very well. So here I would view the property panel, and in this corner here you'll see that at the moment the text color is white, size 72, all different font sizes and styles, etc. You can change that all here. So I'm going to change the font to black, and I'm going to change the size a little bit smaller to 36, and the style, let's have a look, we'll have a little play around. Steel, no. Soul, serif, that looks fine. And then here the text label, this is where you can change the name or the actual text that you want to type. So click on that, press delete, and then type in flower and then enter, and then it changes the text here. And then just get rid of the property tab, and that gives you more space for your vision board again. And the same as with the image, just click on the text and move it where you want it to go. If you want it to go over the flower, it's not very good, we can't see it very well. So we're just going to have a look at transparency. Make it a little bit transparent. Do we want a shadow? We don't want a shadow. I'm going to make the text a little bit larger. Close that down. And let's just move it to there. And that's how you create your vision board. So just keep on going, adding pictures, adding text to represent your vision for the year ahead. And then once you're happy with it, just click on File, Save Project, and we'll call it, you can save it as different formats, but actually just at the moment leave it as a project file. So we'll call it Vision Board Sample, and then save. Now that's not in a user-friendly format, and you will be able to view it very easily, so you can save it as a JPEG as well if you wish. You can get rid of these if you want to make it complete vision board, and then do File, Export the final image. So when you're really happy with your image, click on Export Final Image, and then here is where you save it as a JPEG. So we'll do Vision Board, Sample Final Image, whoops, and then click Save, and that's it, saved as a JPEG. So let's just have a look if it did save. Pictures, sample pictures, and there's my vision board sample final image as a JPEG, or PNG is saved it as. And when I open it up, you see it's just as a normal picture, and you can print it from there. It usually prints off as an A4 size. And that's how you create a vision board. Good luck, and I wish you huge success in achieving all your goals for the year ahead.